Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Klaviyo for e-commerce email income, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Klaviyo website at klaviyo.com. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Enter your email address in the prompted field. Create a strong password for your new account. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Klaviyo. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Klaviyo website and log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to fill out your business information. Provide your company name, website URL, and other required details. Select your industry from the drop-down menu. Indicate how you plan to use Klaviyo for your e-commerce business. Agree to Klaviyo's terms of service and privacy policy to continue. Click on the Continue button to move on to the next step. Now it's time to connect your e-commerce platform. Choose your platform from the list, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Follow the on-screen instructions to integrate your store with Klaviyo. Grant any necessary permissions for the integration to complete. After successfully connecting your platform, set up your first email list. Import any existing contacts if applicable. Create your sign-up form to start collecting emails from visitors. Customize your form to match your brand's look and feel. Set up your email campaigns to engage your customers. Design additional campaigns, like seasonal promotions or product launches. Utilize Klaviyo's analytics to monitor your email performance. Adjust your email strategies based on the data you gather. With your account set up, explore the rest of Klaviyo's features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.